All right, you can tell how excited I am. I'm building another Highland home in Meridiana. Beautiful community, top rated builder, one of my favorite builders, and I'm about to show you why. So this is for a client. They just started the framing. Actually, they're almost done with the framing, but they just put in some of the mechanical, the rough out, some of the plumbing. The electricians hadn't been out here yet. But yeah, James Potenza, your new home realtor. I do this for all my clients looking to buy across town or relocate to the Houston area. Anything new construction representing your best interest, make sure you find a new construction realtor. They will help you out and it'll make this transaction go smoother than possible. All right, let's take a look at this Highland home in Meridiana. All right, buddy, here's your house. It's starting to look like a house. The last time I did a video, I've been out here checking on it. Last time I was out here, it was just the slab. So here's your front entrance. Looks like we got some siding guys working on the house. And as you know, I always like to start off in the garage. And of course, the first thing I see is this massive shear wall. That's interior wall, OSB. Makes the home super, super strong. And I know I'm gonna find a bunch more inside. All right, let's see what we can find. So your tankless water heater is going to go there. That's your plumbing. So the plumbers have been here. They might have to come back out to retrofit everything. And of course, nail guards anywhere. Nails or anything you don't want a nail to go through when they go to hang a sheetrock. You got to have a nail guard. So that's your gas line, your water lines, or your water heater. And man, I am seeing lots of clips and straps. Every single one, every joist, every 2x4 has one. And of course, another nail guard right there. And right here, then they have 3 of these butted together. They got to have at least 3 going down. That's a major load bearing beam. It's probably supporting a lot of the roof structure. And man, Highland Homes does never disappoint me. Again, so we got 3 there. We got 4 coming down. Drops the load to the slab. Nice. And this large span right here of your garage door, they have to have a lot of support there. Obviously, you got the garage door there, but you can't have a beam here. Sometimes you do have one single column on a garage door, but that just gets in the way. But anyway, that piece right there is manufactured, I think they call it Versalam. Anyway, it's laminated wood material, compressed super, super high strength, and they make a really good span, so you don't have to have a column. Nice. Yeah, so they're putting your some of your exterior on. Looks good. Yeah, I like it. Here's where your attic access door is going to go, right there. And you got a lot of low shear walls. So what these do, it's interior OSB. And by the way, Highland wraps their entire home on the outside with OSB. Not a lot of builders do that. They have different building codes. You're not required to do that in this county that we're in, but Highland does. It just makes the home so much stronger. So shear walls, I love them. So we're in the interior. This is a bedroom in here. Shear walls they'll be anchored at the bottom, corner anchors. I like it when they shoot it into the slab with a nail. And they have, yeah, so they got nails going all the way through there, on the bottom. And I'll take you back around the outside. And I see other shear walls in here, but I wanted to show you something that they do. Shear walls have a certain way to build them. They have what's called a nail schedule. They have to have nails every so many distances. Every time they nail these up, Another nail schedule, I don't know, 6 inches, something like that, maybe 5, every less than 5 inches, all the way down to the bottom, anywhere they nail it, called a nail schedule. And the construction manager will check all those, and your third-party inspector will check all those as well. So nail schedule. And here's the other corner. So this shear wall right here is still anchored, so it's still the shear wall going up. All right, I get a little excited about shear walls, as you can tell, and of course I'm walking through a Highland home, and I get excited when I walk through a Highland home. Yeah, so you can tell I get really excited walking through these Highland homes. It's just the quality of the construction. I call it the Highland difference. Everything they do is just so much better than a lot of builders that I've built homes with. So let me spin you back around. All right, so let's start up at the front. All right. So here's your utility room. Let's see if we can see anything in here. So the plumbers came in. Plumbing, nail guard, anywhere they're going to put a nail to hang the sheetrock. You definitely want to have that. It sounds like they turned the radio on in here for the workers. That's all right. We'll get through it. So we have another shear wall right here.
Kid is headed off to college.
All right, back up to the front. We are heading into your secondary bathroom. This is your vent pipe. Green sticker, City of Nassau Bay. What the heck is that? That's weird. I guess they got a sticker from somewhere. Anyway, apparently they like it. Green stickers are good. That should have said Manville or Iowa Colony. Nail guard. There's your hot and cold mode. That looks good. Nail guard, lots of straps. Looks good. And I'm seeing another shear wall. Yeah. So that looks really good. Another shear wall interior OSB. Look at all this material right here. That's a lot of support, and a lot of it does have to do with just spacing this and the right spacing so they can build those really cool arch right there. Really nice. Let's give you a view of your living area. That's great. And so we got the windows in. Of course, we didn't want the ones with the lines in it. Looks great. I don't know if that was something that we could change or if it was standard, but I think it looks great without the lines. Nobody opens their windows anyway. Here's your island with your plumbing. And I like this little bench right here. That is really cool. I remember seeing that in the home that we were walking in. Here's your kitchen. Nice. We get plenty of nail guards right here. Nail guard. We have these wrapped because that's not even an exterior wall. Nope, that's your bedroom. Not sure why they wrap it. Hey, why not, right? Your water lines. You've always seen me talk about this. This is your gas line. What they do is they pressurize that. It's your natural gas line. They don't have any gas in it right now, but they pressurize it with air. They'll monitor that for a certain amount of time, and they'll make sure that it doesn't go down. If it does, and they have leaks, then they got to figure out where it is. But yeah, that's so far so good. That's good. And since we're standing here, this is yet another shear wall. And there'll be a pop quiz on how many shear walls this Highland home has. Corner anchors, looks good. And the shear walls go all the way up to the roof line. It really holds the house together. There's more nail guards up there. Let's go in the master. Yeah, we'll look at your patio in a little bit. I'm so glad you got that. All right. Here's your master bedroom. I love the way they architect these ceilings up here. And you're always going to know that there's a big shear wall right there. That is really cool. Nail schedules. They'll check all these as much as they can. I know they're kind of hard to see, but they do have what's called a nail schedule where they have to have nails every so many distance when they nail the shear wall. So I was going to show you something in here that I just looked at. They're always going to be correcting something. Sometimes when they put the plumbing, when they pour the slab, the plumbing isn't exactly perfect. Not a problem. They can move it. They might have to redig and kind of just wiggle it around. Basically, that's your drain for your stand-up shower. And I think that's going to be for your tub. Yep, that's your water lines for your drop-in tub. But what I'm trying to say is if they have to move and cut up some concrete, it's really just basically surface concrete because as you can tell from other videos, your concrete goes way down into the ground. So it won't affect the structure of the actual slab. So if they have to dig around, they got pretty close on there. They don't have to do much. Looks good. Here's your master closet. More plumbing, more nail guards. Here's your 2 sinks. There you go. Nail guard. And nail guard all the way up there. This is going to be nice. It's a super high ceiling. And I forget what kind of lights that you got, but I think you have a couple of recessed lights up there coming. That'll look nice. And I'll try to get back out here. In fact, I know for sure I'll be out here during your third-party inspection before they hang the sheetrock. But another shear wall. Anchors. They shoot it. Anchor. I don't know. We'll give a pop quiz on how many shear walls they have in here. Here's your commode. I'm going to separate through your wall here. Whoop! Can't do that. What's the hanging sheetrock? So here's another bedroom. And again, that's your living area or your kitchen right there. We're just giving you an overall view. You can watch this after you've been living here a couple of years. You'll say, hey, man, that realtor took some videos of my house being built. How cool was that? And you can show your friends. There you go. They can pull that plastic off. They nailed that. I wouldn't say nail, but they got that plumbing just absolutely perfect. That train line, they don't have to move that. And I think the other one they did really good too. Yeah, you're gonna love this video. You're gonna have it forever. I mean, you're gonna be living here for a couple of years. Even as you're building the home, you'll be able to show your friends, your family. Say, hey, that's that realtor. He walked through my home as it was being built from the foundation to the framing, everything, and you'll remember my name, James Potenza. All right, let's spin you back around. We're gonna go walk out in the patio. Yeah, so I am so glad you got this. I don't think did we see one of these homes with the patio on it, or the extended patio or not? I think we did, and I was like, you got to get this. But this, for some reason, looks bigger than the one that we saw. Oh yeah, this is gonna so be worth it. There you go. Nice. And what that's going to do also, it's going to help insulate the sun from hitting the back of those windows or those windows. And that's your the master bedroom. Yeah, so it's kind of cool walking on your slab part. Obviously, they got the frame on here, but when they poured the slab, you could actually walk on it just like this. And they've got marks right there, and marks right there. That makes a corner where they hang that or put that corner on there. All right, let's walk around the outside of your house. So they use different type of moisture barrier wraps. Tyvek's real popular. They all basically do the same. They block the moisture, and that's going to be that OSB. Like I said, not a lot of builders use that. That's going to be the OSB directly right there, and then the moisture barrier is going to do its job. I think they call these brick ties. So what they'll do, they'll start the brick line, and that's called a brick ledge. They'll start the bricks there, and then they'll come up, and then they'll tie it. Then they'll go to the next level, then they'll tie it to the next level. And I think what they do, I think they stop about halfway, and then they come back like the next day, and then they start the other half because the bricks will kind of push on that mortar. I think I've seen them do that before. Makes sense. Yeah, looks good, buddy. Got your roof on. Looks good. I like that roof line, especially in the front. It looks really good. All right, buddy, your home is looking really good. It's a typical Highland, lots of shear walls, and I am glad you got that extended covered patio. You're absolutely going to love that. Totally worth the price. Spend lots of time out there in nice weather. So yeah, anybody looking to buy a new construction home in the Houston area, look me up and I'll help you out anywhere in Houston. James Potenza, your new home realtor. We'll see you in the next video.